Hey, have you been feeling on edge lately? Maybe snapping at people for no real reason, or just feeling tired all the time, even when you've gotten enough rest. It's easy to blame stress, but sometimes it might be something deeper going on inside your body, especially your liver. In traditional Chinese medicine, there's this idea called liver heat. It's not about liver disease or a fever, but more like your liver's energy getting out of balance, kind of like it's overheating. When that happens, it can show up in ways you might not expect. Feeling suddenly irritable or angry, headaches around your temples, dry or red eyes, a bitter taste in your mouth, trouble sleeping, skin issues like acne or rashes, or even stomach problems like bloating or constipation. Sound familiar? If it does, your body might be trying to tell you something important. So what causes this liver heat? Often, it's linked to emotional stress, unresolved anger, or even habits like eating too much spicy or greasy food, drinking alcohol, or not moving enough. And modern research is catching up. Stress and poor nutrition really can mess with how your liver works, leading to inflammation, tiredness, and mood swings. The good news is you don't have to make huge life changes to start feeling better. Simple things like adding cooling foods, think cucumber, watermelon, leafy greens, or chrysanthemum tea, can help calm things down inside. Some herbal options like dandelion root or milk thistle might also support your liver, but definitely chat with your doctor first. And don't forget about your mind. Activities like yoga, meditation, or just a relaxing daily walk can ease built-up tension and bring some balance back. This isn't medical advice, just a gentle nudge to listen to your body. If you're feeling off, angry, exhausted, or just not quite yourself, it might be time to cool down, inside and out. Take care of yourself. You deserve it.